How to change caption background color and opacity on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. Let's start the video. First of all, go to app library. Here click on settings app. Now in settings, scroll down and click on accessibility. After click on accessibility, click on hearing enhancement. After click on hearing enhancement, scroll down and click on caption preference. After click on caption preference, click on caption size and style. Scroll down, and if you want to change caption background color and opacity, you will see background color and opacity is here. So if you want to change background color, so you will change background color. After change background color, if you want to change background opacity, click on opacity. So you will change background opacity from here. After change background opacity, go back to home screen. So that's how you can change caption background color and opacity on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. If you like the video, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.